Do you know many people are having trouble with resetting the memory on their Omron BP742N Sphygmomanometer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Select User ID. Select your user ID 1 or 2 on the Omron BP742N Sphygmomanometer. Step 2. Press Memory button. Press the Memory button on the device. Step 3. Hold Memory button. Hold down the Memory button when the memory symbol appears. Step 4. Press START/ST. While holding the Memory button, press the START/STOP button for over 3 seconds. Step 5. Delete stored values. All stored values in the memory for the selected user will be deleted. By following these steps, you should now be able to reset the memory on your Omron BP742N like new. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Omron users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.